as I was saying, the air pose that we need here, which will be like that ease in pose right after the hit. We need to move them in the Z direction. Yeah. Yeah, that's more like it. Let's go ahead and play this out. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, you know. This is looking great. So now we need this another key here, which will be like the key before the contact here. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and break all these poses right here and get myself some of the last walk cycles, last frame for the walk cycles. Yeah, totally cool. Adding those hand delays that we need during the walk cycle here. Yeah, that works. That totally works. Delay in the body a little bit so they kind of makes more sense into that whole motion thing. I want that leg, the left leg, to contact the ground right along with the pose here. And since it's a pretty fast motion happening here, so we kind of need to bring him down a little bit. Yes, this is what I want, exactly what I want. Okay, cool, very cool. Now upon adding all those breakdowns, we will definitely get, you know, what we need. So, alright. Sometimes it gets tedious watching someone work on shots for a long time. So, guys, if you want to take breaks in between, maybe like 10 minutes break after each hour of this video class, you can go ahead and do that. That'll help your mind to, you know, sink in all the information and things that you grab within an hour. Otherwise, it might be overwhelming sometimes to keep watching the whole thing at one stretch. Even at work, even I take breaks at work, 10 minutes after every hour for a coffee or chat with a coworker, you know. So that way the mind gets time to freshen up and we can come back and look at our work with a fresh set of eyes. So it's pretty helpful. Anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and work on the next pose here. Basically the, you know, the slow run kind of pose. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this up here a little bit. I'm going to create the contact poses right now, and then I'm going to add the in-betweens and all that. I was thinking I wouldn't stretch the timeline. I think that I have to a little bit more. Go ahead and add those hand delays and finger delays. Yeah, that looks fine. Go ahead and play this now. Add just a little bit more frames here. Just kind of finish this up. Let's take a play here. Okay. The last poses definitely need to change here a little bit. Let's go ahead and work on the camera here. So, since he's going to walk out of the frame, or maybe, you know, like the end part of the frame, so we need to push the camera behind so that, you know, the whole action could be seen nicely. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the final settle pose for the slow run. Add this up pose here, and select all the controls here, the spine controls, and make it straight. Head control, make it look down. Right now, the spear transition is done before the second impact. So I think the spear would be in the left hand right now. He'll be holding the spear in his back, like a straight spear right in his back. That's why I'm putting the hand right there. It's gonna be something like this. Alright. Okay. Maybe we need to go ahead and fix this COG here a little bit. The hand pose should be appropriate for him to be able to hold the spear. Something like this. Okay. Let me go ahead and add that second pose here. Yeah. And make it go back here because he's trying to stop himself from that. Pull the hand a little bit up. I'll keep the left hand as it is because he wouldn't be moving that hand much because he's having that spear right in his back, so that'll be firmly, you know, intact there. Only it'll be the right hand that's going to be moving.